Nene. Sana si ate. Picture. Kaya kayo dito, girl.
Ito sa ate.
Hindi ko sila lagyan mo ng konting cornstarch.
Ano to? What's this?
Ano din? Ibang klase lang.
Pumpkin na ibang klase?
Don't worry if you call in tomorrow. Where's Big Nono?
Nene.
No, until fall.
Hey? Marites? Tamad?
I see. Nah. Lani. Apa dah? It's like you're so blessed.
Palarong pambansa.
Ay, oo nga, no? Yung pala.
Ano ba yan? Palarong pambansa. Kamo sabang.
Sabag, yeah.
Kamsi, kamsa.
Mga baliw.
The other side.
Try this one, it's delicious.
This is the one that we got.
Masarap yung
From
sister.
there.
Masarap yung sister. Tignan.
Magandang it's nice to take pictures.
Masarap. Masarap to.
Yan.
Ito.
Buha ka na
Masarap yan.
Tinda ka daan.
Hala, dapat pala yung ano dinala ko. Yung mojito ba yun? Guys, magmukbang tayo. Ang laki. So big. Fresh from the ano. This one is good. Dito, this line.
Ang laki ng sisa.
Laki nga, oh.
Dito yan.
Guys, this is my farm. And they are my pickers.
I did that as a job before. Yeah. Apple picking. I did strawberry.
Huh?
Ito na. Ano kita ba?
Magmukbang tayo, nene.
Huwag na yan, doon. Sige, kuha ka doon.
First, you got the contour.
Try it. Diba? Masarap.
Mas matamis to hang kaysa dito.
This one, this side.
Ito.
Nene, this one is good. Try it.
Let me give it. It's too big.
Ayun.
Give the small one.
It's okay. We'll do mukbang. Apple mukbang. It's good, eh? So we'll get this one?
Paghaluan na lang natin.
Guys.
Masarap Masarap daw to, Lam. Ha? Masarap daw ito. Kumuha ka na, dyan banda.
Also the hardest with still eating it until this one is gone.
Nasa.
Nasa atin naka-video. Manang tawad-tawad mo. Kuya, kain ka na oh.
Ang tagal naman bumaba.
Timer pa daw. Isa pa.